welcome to Range Day. In today's episode, we're checking out the Echo 1 Red Star LMG. Just to go over the externals of the rifle, it is full metal, the receiver is actually made out of steel, and the furniture is real wood, not polymer. It comes equipped with a folding bipod, which tucks up nice and neat under its barrel. Also has a side rail for an optics mount. Another cool feature is that this AK has a fully adjustable rear sight, just for windage and elevation, not just elevation like the traditional AK. The one feature I thought was really cool about this rifle is the amount of detail that went into making the bolt. Now, of course, like AKs, pulling back the bolt reveals the hop-up adjustment. However, take it out, it's strictly cosmetic, of course. They put a lot of attention to detail into this thing, including replicating the gas piston. Again, not functional, but I thought it was really cool. Now, the battery is housed within the stock. It comes with a custom 9.6 volt battery. However, you can use a 9.6 double nunchuck. You just can't use a single nunchuck because of the 2/3 cells. They're slightly longer and will not fit the dimensions of the stock. To install the battery, you just remove 2 screws on the butt plate. It gets pulled off at the battery compartment in there. We're going to use the stock 9.6 battery today. Drop that in there. Everything's tucked in out of the way. And reinstall your plate. That's all there is to it. The LMG comes with an 850 round high capacity magazine. However, you can use traditional AK series magazines such as this one here. However, for today, just to make it more fun, we're going to use a 3,000 round drum magazine. For today's shoot, we're using the Umarex Elite Force .28 gram bios. We've got a little bit of a cross breeze today, so the extra weight will give us the best range and accuracy. Due to the high muzzle velocity and long barrel length of the LMG, I'm going to skip the closer targets and go right to 125. Let's see what it can do. Alright, that was easy. Let's try 150. Alright. It's not breaking a sweat, so we're going to back it up a bit and see what it can really do. And despite being a really long gun, it's actually pretty maneuverable in here. Alright, so according to the rangefinder, we're just over 190 feet away. So let's see how many we can get on target. We are kicking the crap out of that target at 190 feet. Quite effectively too. So I think 190, 200 feet, no problem for the LMG. Now let's go Rambo on some targets up close. Alright, we have a reactive target down there. It's going to show just how much firepower this thing can put down range in a very short amount of time. Even though its intended role is that of a squad automatic weapon, it only weighs about 10 pounds even with this drum mag on it. So what you really have is just a slightly longer AK-47. So if you're pressed, it can be used as a shoulder-fired assault weapon. Now, to conserve ammo, you can switch to semi-automatic and make your shots count. But if you do run dry, it is compatible with AK magazines, so you can switch out for your buddy, get right back in the fight. the LMG. Definitely a very effective long-range support weapon. When things get hairy, you can transition to an assault rifle, no problem at all. Alright, that's it for today. But gonna finish off this drum mag. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming range day videos. And until next time, I'm Rob Rambo. This is Range Day.